everybody, and welcome to another video. I am Nina Justplay, and welcome. Welcome back to Wolf Quest. Sorry. I'm just going to open one thing up really quick. But, last episode, if you're not there, I found my perfect mate, and hopefully we can make it to South Creek and possibly get our first hunt. So, let's find our way down the mountain. She's very used to running up and down these hills, but Ash, on the other hand, struggles a little bit more, especially in these dips and things like this. But usually she's just kind of running around, so buddy number 2. He's just trying to get over to the creek. He loves the water and to bonding coyote? Maybe. Oh, had to go there. On him. Very confident. Just kind of prove to her that we are strong and that we don't get sick, which I'm just getting over a cold, if you cannot tell, or wasn't there for the last few episodes. This is kind of crazy. This is kind of crazy. Finally some flat terrain, and to show her that he is loyal and that they will rise together and continue on with the Moon Palk legacy, he will bring her up to a place that she's never been. So, we're going to make it over to that little room over there. Just got a little jump down. There we go. And now that we've brought her over here, hopefully she'll understand how loving we are to her. And look at her going, running ahead. There's even a nice little amount of food up here. They can have a little nibble on. Looks like she's not too hungry right now, but he's pretty daring, so he's coming right to her edge. And tonight, they will sleep here together. And they will sleep till dusk, because both of their coats are kind of dusk-esque. They can just a little bit before her. Nice little stretch. But today, they will journey to South Creek. Hopefully. We're working on it. Got a while to go, but it'll be okay. Got a nice fresh start to the morning. She doesn't seem to be following up too much. But she seems to be just about behind us, so she must just be looking off into the horizon a little bit. But we have entered some territory, so and coming down through his mother's legacy of the golden blade. But just as she did, he will follow the path through the creek, find his way to the south, where it's going to probably be snowing by the time we get there. So, let's hope we get there before massive snow, so that we can get around kind of easy. We are going to go to South Creek. Here we go, survival of the pack. Ooh, we got there just a little late. Look at this. We're going to find a den. This is where our pups are going to be raised. Amazing, not to think that our pup, one of our, hopefully, 4 pups, will stand up there one day. Do the same thing and look across for a den. She doesn't seem to be too good at swimming. She's almost all the way under. It's like we're pups. Pop on up here. Oh, wow. And let's look at where our first den will be. Yeah, I think we should go and see the meadow, and then bison, sheep, and then the last place. Let's head over. One thing already I don't see too sure about is that the water's pretty deep in all of these places so far, which is a little bit concerning, because when we're trying to bring our pups across, then that's going to be a struggle most likely. So finding a nice way around here. Ooh, this is good. That's good. Ooh, that's really good, okay? I like the fact that we can run across there. That's good. We can run across the water pretty quickly. She definitely likes to be ahead. Can't blame her. But I think we will sleep here tonight. Not exactly claim, but just sleep here tonight. And, you know, here's some nice sticks that we could play with down here. Okay, there's a den. Just up here somewhere. Just thinking as a pet. Let's pop up over this bend. I think it might be up here. There is a nice den. Wow. I'm gonna keep looking, but I think that we could sleep just on here. I think that that is a perfect place to end today's video with, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!